from the Philippines. Hi. Happy birthday, Tita Aming. Happy 18th birthday. We love you. Happy birthday. Have a good birthday. We love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Meg.
We wish you good health and long life.
We miss you.
We love you. We miss you.
Stay beautiful.
Hi, Aming.
Yes.
Happy 18th birthday. Kamay ka nga. Damo pa nga mga birthday mag-abot sa imo kabuhi. Palanggaon mo si imo papa, si mama mo, kag imo nga mga utod. Doon ka sing maayo kag katapos ka sa imo nga kurso. Para maabot mo ang imo handom sa kabuhi. I love you. We miss you. Mwah. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Aming! Hi, Meg. Kumusta na? Happy 18th birthday. I wish you good health and a good future. I hope all your dreams come true. Stay beautiful. Miss you na. Love you. Happy 18th birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Aming. We love you.
Hi, Aming. Happy 18th birthday. Sang gamay ka. Ara din si tatay mo, mimit nga naga tatap sa imo, duha kami. Kag tapos si papa mo kag si mama mo ginabilin ka lang sa amon kag hulid ka namon kung gabi bira-bira sang ubra si papa kag si mama mo para sa imo nga wasdamlag. Gani, hanggaon mo gid sila tanan, si papa mo, si mama mo. Langlit kun wala si papa mo kag si mama mo, kag kun wala kami nagbulig, wala mo maabot ang imong mga ginahandom sa subong nga panahon. Di, palangga tigid ikaw.
Happy birthday, Aming.
Happy
birthday. We love you. Get good health.
Good luck. God bless you. Wishing you
We miss you
happy
all.
birthday. Good health and long life.
Hi, Tito. Hi, Lolo. Hi, Lola. Hi, Tita.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Oh, mag-blow kita. Take kita, Aming. Ready? Blow. 1, 2, 3, blow!
Birthday, Tita Ming. We
Happy
love
18th
you.
birthday.
We hope you got health.
Wishing
We
you long life.
We love you and a tree. We love you. Mwah.
Happy 18th birthday.
We love you.
We miss
Camera.
you.
And a
I
tree.
love you. Ready? Blow your kiss.
One, two, three.
Thank you.